Go. What's going on, Burnsy?
Bleeding the brakes.
Hey, Jamie.
Getting some fluid.
It's actually working now that we machined a little spacer.
Nice, nice.
So we just got the first little round going. Yeah, man, whoever designed those things be smacked. But that's besides the point, right? All right. Pump up the jam, pump it up. Yes. Right there. You probably don't want to stand and sit right there.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
2, 3. What corner are you at?
Still on the passenger side. See how good this one is.
That's 10, sir.
Do it again.
1,
Drippy, drippy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the floor.
Again.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, one more time for good measures. Give me 1 second. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. You still holding?
I'm holding.
Let go. Hit the brakes.
Okay, off.
Yep.
Hit the brake.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
What's going on here, Burnsy?
All right, guys. Well, bled this side. We're gonna give it a clean. And then we are gonna check our fluid in the reservoir. So if you want to come
Down
with
there.
me, and you'll see nothing. Anybody? Damn. Womp womp. Oops. This. Okay, cool. Learning how to pop these clips a little bit better, so I don't knock things around, over. Ow. Oh. Now I should check this. Oh, that was getting a little well there. So put that back. Go back in there. Our handy dandy little, because we literally have no room to put a bottle of fluid in there. So then we're gonna, I can use a little bit more. Yes, guys, this is OSHA approved. Not the guy upstairs, though. Not that guy. Oh, excuse me. Water. You okay up there?
I'm good.
Are you sure? You relaxing?
It's not bad.
What's going on up there, Bobby?
Chilling.
Ricky Booby.
Yes, sir.
Are you fixing the flights or what?
Yeah,
You better be very careful. You might get on a list, bro.
I'm good. I didn't book your flight.
What's that?
I didn't book your flight.
Oh no, I don't need a flight right now.
But we'll let you know.
Yep.
Yeah, let's see what we got here. All right, let's see if we can pop this one. What?
We need to clean the top of the bathroom. There's a lot of stuff up there.
You said you're gonna clean the bathroom?
No. We have.
Is your foot off the brake?
I'm just chilling, homie.
Find my socket wrench. Real quick. Alright, so break it loose with the socket wrench. And then go ahead.
Pump it.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh. Alright, that's...
Do it again.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dude, it's getting harder.
It's getting a little bit bigger stream, so do it again.
Okay, ready?
Yep. That's the cool part. Once it's here, it doesn't take that long to get it over on this side.
Yep.
That's the longest one.
Right.
That's 10.
Let's do it again one more time for good measure.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I can't
5,
see it.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. All right, you can let go. So, you guys, that's the side that takes the longest because you gotta get it all the way over to this junction. Once you have it to this junction, that bleeds, and it doesn't really take that long to get to this side. So I'm gonna clean this off. I'm gonna check the fluid one more time, and we're gonna start on the fronts.
And you just keep repeating the process until all of them are all squared away?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Pump away.
Oop, wrong pedal.
Already started bleeding this one a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But I just checked the fluid. It was pretty good. We're in. Ooh, she's a scorter. Should we do it one more time for good faith?
One more time.
And let's do it. Go for it. Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was a slow pump. Oh, come on. She's another scorter. She's a happy scorter. So this side's all done.
Yep, you want me to come up?
Yeah, go ahead and come up. Next.
Next one.
There you go.
Don't tell me what to do. Okay, you ready for the scorter?
Oh, damn, she's shot.
Do it again. Do it again.
Ready?
Yep.
That pedal's getting hard.
That's what she said.
Ooh. Do it again. Do it again.
Ready? Want to check your fluid level or no?
No, we should be okay.
There you go.
Oh, got out on the springs too now.
Mm-hmm. All right, let me check the fluid now.
Okay, bro.
And then we'll probably do a couple more times and we'll be calling it on that.
Alright.
Like we said before in a couple videos, we got new shoes coming for these guys. But we're just happy to be able to move on its own power instead of pushing this thing around.
Right.
Yeah, then we'll get it back on the lift tomorrow when we do the front shoes. And we'll adjust the rears, and then it can go home.
Yep.
And on that note, you guys, deuces.